Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Alright, good morning everyone. Today is Sunday, and today I was planning to do something in my car, but I'm not gonna have time for that. I was trying to fix the you know guys that remember the video that I made of the wheel that I painted them, and I was trying to repaint it today, but I'm not gonna have time. I had to take apart the pool, so I'm gonna run to E-Town right now and grab something to eat, and I'm gonna be back with this, so stay tuned for that. What we're gonna do is take all this apart and put it in the garage. So still some water inside of the pool, so I'm gonna dump all that out of the pool, and so yeah, it's gonna take me, I don't know, like 10 minutes to get all that water out. And I have some cats over here, so they're gonna be happy about it. First of all, guys, I want to say sorry if I couldn't post any videos this weekend. Not because I didn't want to, but that's because I was busy at work. So I'm just having my weekend off, like Sunday. Today's Sunday, so morning. So let's go to E-Town and grab that. I'm gonna get some fried chicken right now. Kind of hungry, so yeah, let's go. I'm gonna wait till the cars warm up and I'm gonna be good to drive. So I'm gonna take the pool apart and put it in the garage for next year. So you guys know, in a couple months, I would say in like 1 or 2 months, we're gonna be already in fall. So fall is already around the corner, so I want to take the pool out apart and put it in the garage, and have it ready for next summer, because I'm pretty sure I used it like 3 or 4 times this summer, so next year is gonna be amazing to have that again. So yeah, I don't know, guys, tell me. I was planning to do like man, how can I say it? I was planning to go to places that people are not there anymore, like abandoned places, and do like a walk around and explore, and you know, all that kind of stuff. So I was thinking about it. So guys, let me know if you guys want to see something like that, and probably I do it. I don't know any places here in my town. They have like abandoned places to go and walk around and explore and see and see weird things happening. So we can do that. I mean, it's not impossible to say it, but some people request that, so I can do it. So I want to know your opinion, and I want to know if you guys would like it or not. So yeah, stop talking. So let's go to E-Town and grab that real quick, and we're gonna be back at the pool. So let's go. I just finished taking the pool apart, and I just came down here for the box. And one thing about this basement where I live is you can't be here all the time. You know, it has like that thing that I mean, that's not good for your if you sniff it or breathe it, it's not good for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and go outside. I don't want to be here. It smells so bad over here. That's why I don't come here so often. So what we're gonna do is, like, I just took the box out, and we're gonna put the pool in the box, and we're gonna bring it back, and we're gonna put it like right over there. So yeah, let's go and do this, because I just want to get this done and be like done for the day, and that's pretty much. So let's get this done, right? Let's get this done, and let's take this box upstairs. So let's grab it and Yeah. I think I'm gonna need help. I can't do this by myself. I'm gonna go and grab something to help me put it, like to take the box. Yeah. All right. And just like that, get ready to go. I just finished it, taking the pool apart, so it's already downstairs in the garage. So I'm gonna um, I'm gonna do that tomorrow, and I don't want to do it right now. Kind of lazy. I don't know why. All right, guys, that's it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And I know it wasn't that much going on right now because you know, it's my day off and there's nothing to do, and all my friends are kind of busy right now. So that's why I'm asking you guys if you want to see, like I explained it like early in the video, like go places like abandoned places and look and just look around and record everything, do like a film of, you know, you know what I'm talking about. So alright guys, so stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna post one on, let's see, today is Sunday, so it's gonna be on Tuesday, and the next one is gonna be like, alright, so this is what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna be posting videos on Saturdays, not Saturdays, Sundays, and between Monday or Tuesday, so you guys know when I'm gonna be posting videos on YouTube. So I need to breathe. So alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification button, and you know, see you guys in the next one. So peace out.